Sarodaya MSc Zoology First Semester Non-Cardate Paper First MSc Zoology Semester First Paper First Non-Cardate Unit First Nutrition and Reproduction in Protozoa Origin of Metazoa Structure Organization Canal System and Affinity of Porifera Polymorphism and Colony Formation in Nidaria Coral Reef Unit Second Parasitic Adaptation General Organization of Trematoda and Cestoda Larva Stage of Trematoda and Cestoda and Life Cycle Pattern in Platyhelminthes Parasites Outline of Ecology of Soil Nematode Segmental Organs in Annelida and Adaptive Radiation in Annelida Unit Third Organization and Affinity of Onychophora larva form in Crustacea, Parasitism in Crustacea, Torsion in Gastropods, its effect and significance. Unit 4 Larva form in Echinodermata, Water vascular system in Echinodermata, Affinity of Echinodermata and Hemichordata, Brief outline of structure and affinity of minor phyla with special reference to Ctenophora, Rotifera and Phoronida. Questions Unit First Chapter 1 Protozoa Long and short answer type questions. Question number 1 Classify phylum Protozoa with example up to order giving characteristic of each class and order. Question number 2 Give a detailed account of nutrition in Protozoa. Question number 3 Describe the reproduction in Protozoa. Question number 4 Difference between conjugation and endomixing. Question number 5. Describe the disease of protozoan. Question number 6. Give difference between the following. First, amoeboid and euglenoid movement. Second, exopodia and philopodia. Third, autogamy and syngamy. Fourth, schizogony and multiple fission. Question number 7. What is the difference in asexual reproduction of Euglena and Paramecium? Short notes. Contractile vacuoles. Second, osmoregulation. 3. Cilia. 4. Insistiment. Chapter 2. Porifera. Long and short answer types questions. Question number 1. Classify phylum Porifera up to order giving silent feature and example of each group. Question number 2. Describe the origin of metazoa. Question number 3. Describe the various types of canal system found in sponges. Or definite canal system. Give an account of canal system in Porifera. Question number 4. Discuss affinity and systematic position of sponge. Or give reason for including sponge in the animal kingdom. Or phylum Porifera is blind offshoot of Metazoa. Explain. Question number 5. Add a note on economic importance of sponges. Question number 6. Describe briefly the origin of Porifera. Chapter 3. Coelenterata. Long and short answer type questions. Question number 1. Describe the general character of Coelenterata. Question number 2. Write an essay on polymorphism in coelenterates or write an account of polymorphism in Siphonophora. Question number 3. Give a brief account of coral reefs and their organization. Question number 4. Describe the different type of coral reef. How are these formed? What is their economic importance? Unit 2. Chapter 4 Platyhelminthes Long and short answer type questions. Question number 1. Describe general character of helminthes. Question number 2. Describe the parasitic adaptation of helminthes. Question number 3. Write short note upon A. Apolysis B. Flame cells C. Parasitic castration D. Bladder worm E. Pseudocoel F. Hexacanth stage. Question number 4. Give an account of helminth parasites of man or write an essay on helminths and disease or write an essay on economic importance of helminths. Question number 5. Describe the life cycle pattern in platyhelminthes parasite. Question number 6. Describe the outline of ecology of soil nematodes. Question number 7. Describe the larval stage of Trematoda and Cestoda. Chapter 5 Annelida Long and short answer types questions. Question number 1. Describe the character and classification of Annelida. Question number 2. Describe the segmental organ of Annelida. Question number 3. Describe the adaptive radiation in Polychaeta. Question number 4. Describe the trochophore larva and its significance. Question number 5. Write short note upon A. Epitochi, B. Metameric segmentation, C. Nephridia, D. Metamerism, E. Coelom duct. Unit 3, Chapter 6, Onychophora. Long and short answer types questions. Question number 1. Describe the general organization of Onychophora. Question number 2. Describe the affinity of Onychophora. Chapter 7, Arthropoda. Long and short answer types questions. Question number 1. Give the silent feature of phylum Arthropoda. Question number 2. Describe the parasitism in Crustacea. Question number 3. Describe the larval form of Crustacea. Question number 4. Describe the mouth part of insects. Chapter 8, Mollusca. Long and short answer types question. Question number 1. Describe the character and classification of Mollusca. Question number 2. Write short note upon A. Crystalline style, B. Detrosion. Question number 3. Describe in detail the formation of pearl culture. Question number 4. Describe the adaptive radiation in Mollusca. Question number 5. Give a detailed account of torsion in Gastropoda. Unit 4, Chapter 9, Echinodermata. Long and short answer types questions. Question number 1. Give a detailed account of general characteristic and classification of phylum Echinodermata. Question number 2. Describe the larval form in echinoderm. Question number 3. Describe the water vascular system of echinoderm. Question number 4. Describe the affinity of echinoderms. Question number 5. Describe the affinity of hemichordata. Chapter 10, Ctenophora. Long and short answer type questions. Question number 1. Describe the minor phyla Ctenophora. Chapter 11, Rotifera. Long and short answer types questions. Question number 1. Describe the general organization of Rotifera. Thanks for watching my video.